I was half expecting you to say something. All right. Hey! Yes, that was staged, and so am I. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. Got an angry dog over here. It is decor situation over here for Halloween, but we are gonna head over and look at some status on the floor. Coach 1420, and then we're gonna walk by 1417. I got something to show you on that, Coach. But we're gonna head on over here. It's Marathon Monday time. Hope everyone had a good weekend. We're on the production floor here at the mothership. Couple of weeks until I head to the desert. So we got a lot going on this week. Let's head over to 1420. I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. So 1420, this is a coach we're gonna follow all the way through. Here we are, it's what, mid-October-ish, and we are going to follow it all the way, probably completion is around February. And this is 1420 right there, and you can see Shannon right here doing a cut and buff. This coach has been on the production floor now for a couple of weeks, and one of the things we do, as you know, is we dial in the paint job, and that's what these guys are doing right here. And I love showing that because it's the attention to detail that is always important. Bringing out that beautiful paint job, any imperfections get addressed right here on the production floor. And so I think that's an awesome commitment to the owners of all of these coaches, that we really dial in the exteriors just as much as the interiors. And we're gonna go inside and check it out. When we follow a coach all the way through production, it's always nice to see where it starts. And this is where it starts. One of my favorite floor plans. This is a triple slide with the super bath and the appliance dream center. So this family, this will be their third marathon, and they are fine-tuning what works for them. And so here we are, 2 slides in the rear, 1 slide on that driver side, but look at the size of this rear area that I'm in. Here's where the slide outs end, right here. All of this is past the slide out rooms. This is where the super bath is gonna be. Triple slide super bath floor plan, Coach 1420. We're gonna follow it all the way through production, just like we do several coaches. And we're going to look at what it takes to build a coach around this time of year and get it dialed in. We're gonna look at cabinetry and electrical. And one of the things that we're showing you today is the coach just hit the production floor. Wiring is just starting, but we're already dialing in that paint job. And I think that's a really good thing, because what's gonna happen is they're gonna do that cut and buff again prior to delivery. Another thing that we do, as you well know, is we take the slide room completely out. I'm actually standing where the slide room would be. We roll the scaffolding in, and right down there is the slide out room. And we actually do the installation of the cabinetry, electrical, and everything that needs to be in that slide out room right down there on the production floor. And then with about a month to go, we'll put it right back in the room, and we'll send it across the way where 1415 is right now. All right, let's head across the way. That's a good look at and a start at 1420. So this is kind of my introduction to 1420, because what I want to do is every 2 to 3 weeks at least check in on the progress. Right now, the ceiling is in. We're gonna do lots and lots of wiring pull over the next couple of weeks, so it'll be great. We're gonna check in probably before I go to the desert, which is 2nd week of November, for all the marathon kickoff events. And then when we get back in late November, early December, we'll check back in on 1420. Let's go. And you can see Shannon right there working on that. Here we are. We're gonna head over here. We're gonna walk right past 1417. Actually, take a look at that paint job. You could see, I love the colors on that. This will be a fun one to look outside, because I love the texturing. You guys know I like the white. This will be a really nice one to see outside. I'm excited about this one. Double slide super bath. Double slide super bath. It's got about 3 weeks left in production. All right. 1417. What I want to show you on this, I want to go over and I want to show you all of the cabinet drawers, all the drawers that go in, and I want to talk about that real quick. Take a look at all of those. Shane, I'll let you get a really good shot of those. These are all for 1417. Bedroom, nightstand. So there's a family, I've talked about this many times. This is the Hoyland family. They are about 15 minutes from here. The Hoyland family is on the other side of the river over by Junction City and Harrisburg. And if you know our area here, they make these for us in several different colors. This is, and if you've been around cabinetry, if you've been around woodworking, and if you get the chance to look at Marathon's drawers, really take a look at this. This is some of the nicest high quality drawers that you're gonna find in an RV or a home. This is dovetail bamboo. Look at the detail. I'm gonna hold this still so you can get a good shot. Look at that. The Hoyland family has been making these for us for years. And I'm so proud to show it off because it's also, just like Marathon, it is a local Oregonian made product, and we put it in our coaches. I am a born and raised Oregonian, still here in the state, and so I am proud to show that off. And so I wanted to really highlight that. And also because we're highlighting Coach 1417, it's really neat to see all of these drawers that are gonna go in the coach. This is actually right above. Why is it U-shaped? This is right above the dish drawer or the dishwasher, and it's right under the sink. That's why it is cut like that, for the plumbing of the sink. But they do this in several different colors for us. We line them with this engineered leather, which is scratch proof and really nice and very cleanable. And then they also put our logo in there, embossed in every single drawer. So I saw this morning and thought, gosh, you know, we should show that because I love showing 1417, an X3 with bunks that we're going to be showcasing a little bit more as the coming months, as that coach nears completion. Let's actually close up on the other side of 1417, Shane. So much going on. The other side of water. Yeah, really nice to see. So I'm excited about this, Coach, also. So hope everyone has a good week. Take care of yourself, be yourself, and do good things. I say it all the time, and it's really important to me. Big thanks to everyone here at Marathon for doing what you do every day and building such an amazing product. If you are looking to get into a marathon, don't forget, I don't just hang out in front of the camera. My job is to sell you a coach. Or if you're a marathon owner, my job is to help you sell your coach if you're looking to upgrade or looking to sell your coach. MalW, M-A-L-W, at marathoncoach.com. That's how you can get a hold of me. Have a good week, you guys. 1417, this is cool. I'm with it.